How can I make a diminished value claim after my parked car was hit? You usually start by proving two things: that the other driver caused the damage, and that your repaired car is now worth less than it was right before the crash. In North Carolina, the key is market value evidence. A repair bill alone usually is not enough. First, identify the driver and their insurance company using the note, license plate, crash report, camera footage, or witness information. Then report a property damage claim to the other driver's insurer and clearly say you are also making a diminished value claim. Keep every repair document, including estimates, final invoices, supplements, parts lists, paint records, sensor repairs, and calibration records. Next, gather proof of value. This can include a diminished value appraisal, comparable vehicle listings, photos, mileage, trim level, options, condition before the crash, and any vehicle history report information. Then send a clear demand package explaining what happened, why the other driver is responsible, what repairs were done, and how much diminished value you are claiming. Be careful before signing any release. Some property damage releases may give up not only repair claims, but also diminished value, rental, loss of use, injury, or all claims from the crash. Also, do not wait too long. Many North Carolina property damage claims have a 3-year deadline, and insurance negotiations do not automatically extend it.